Hey everyone, welcome to White Falcon Publishing YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss our book summary and the name of the book is Soul Play by Maithili Dhanrao. So before starting the book, हम पहले author के बारे में discuss करेंगे. Maithili was born in 2000, a graduate in commerce. She adores writing the way she adores herself. So let's start with the book. This book will throw some light on the shades or in words. We will came across shades and the light in pretty discerning manner. We being the sole proprietor for everything what happens to us, that happens through us needs to be acknowledged more than we ready to admit. We shall come across the pillars habitually known as the dark and the light. In the dark, we will perceive the understanding of uninvited emotions and movements. The light will succor us discreetly. That discrete events combined, those discrete events combined make us unbridged. So let's take a walk through our core. Let's all be words modeling into our runway. Let's dive into our soul play. So if you want to read more about the book, you can buy it from White Falcon Publishing website. Link is in description. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.